Right, I'm going to work this back and forth across this naturally cool slab, and I'm going to do what we call creaming the fudge. So the more I work it, the smoother and creamier it gets. Do some smooth and creamy chocolate. I'm a little bit silly, so y'all will have to bear with me.
Oh, he's small.
Woo!
Wow.
See, I don't try
That's
this
cool.
at home. Go to a neighbor's house and try it. That way, if you make a mess, it's over at somebody else's house. I throw it up in the air, that ensures high quality. Higher I throw it, higher the quality. If it hits the ceiling, our quality just went through the roof. We've cleaned the ceiling recently. If it hits those fans, that's how we circulate the sand. These kind of fly into your mouth. Sometimes they miss though, they'll land on your shoes. We call that soul shoe fudge. If it hits those lights, that's how we get our light fudge. It's less filling and tastes great. This is our behind the back fudge. I'm showing off for invisible people. Invisible people are easy to entertain. They don't eat near as many samples. This is kind of a workout program for chocoholics. I eat all I can and then I just work it right off. What a sweet job. Woo! Yeah, baby. This is a workout program, let me tell you. You do this all day long, you can feel it at night when you get home. It's really getting creamy. Y'all probably wondering what I did before I got this sweet job. I worked in an orange juice factory down in Florida. But I got canned from that job. I got squeezed out of a job. They said I couldn't concentrate. That's why I got canned.
That's why somebody became a canner.
When I had that job down in Oklahoma working at that dairy farm, you know why I got fired from that job? They said I couldn't get along with others. And I learned how to make this utterly delicious fudge while I was living down there.
Yeah. Milking you for all your work back then.
Wow.
Getting better by the moment. That's some high quality chocolate. That's some tasty chocolate, baby. This is how you beat the fat and calorie time. Beat it, beat it, beat it, beat it. Get yourself some fudge and eat it. You can land it on me. I got some fudge on me somewhere.